I don't think there's anything in this world I enjoy than taking things out of the box. And this right here is one of my favorite items, probably ever. It's the Babyliss Rose Gold FX. This is one of my favorite items ever. This is what I use to cut my hair, and just to show you, I've completed the set. This is the Babyliss Rose Gold FX. This is the trimmer that I use to cut my hair, and this one is going to be the, I believe it's the trimmer. Forgive me if I'm wrong, but this is what I'm going to be using to do the lineups and stuff. So this is what I use. I'm not a barber. I don't know anything about clippers. I don't know anything at all. I just cut my own hair, and that's all that matters, because that's all I care about. All right, so let's do the honors of removing this from the box. The Rose Gold FX. This thing I had this in my Amazon cart for a very long time, and I really wanted it, but I was waiting for it to go on sale before I purchased it. So now that it's on sale, I am really excited about it. It looks banged up a little bit. It does come with a sticker on it, but it has a couple. There's a couple things that looks okay. Yeah, there's a couple scratches on the front plate, and it's not really sitting well with me. I'm a very picky person, so I see things that people don't see. Let's hope that this thing is new. It's supposed to be new. I purchased it as a new item from Amazon. Shout out to Amazon, by the way, for sending me an item that's basically scratched, or maybe Babyliss. Okay. I don't remember it being this difficult to remove plastic from the box. So this is the moment of truth that will tell us if it's new or not. Alright, so it comes with these items in the bag. Tightener, some oil, some cleaners. That's pretty interesting. Also comes with the charger. A 100 to 200 watt input, wow. 4.5 volts, okay. It's a 4.5 volt charger. That's what it comes with. And then that is it. Plus you have these blades. It looks like it's new, but maybe it has just a little bit of scratches on it. Nothing too serious. But here you go, guys, the Rose Gold FX. Oh, I'm supposed to oil it before I actually start using it. Don't do what I just did a while ago, guys. Don't start using it unless you actually oil the blade first. That's the first thing that you're supposed to do always. Alright, so it's well oiled. This is it, guys. So it's the Rose Gold FX. So I got the trimmer, and now I got them both. I got the full set. Yep, this is Rose Gold FX clippers. I love them. When it comes to cutting my own hair, I love it. I spend every time cutting my own hair. I love it, I appreciate it, and I would tell anybody to cut their own hair as well. It saves a lot of money, and yeah, you get to buy pretty nice clippers like these. These are the Babyliss Rose Gold FX. These are some of the most expensive premium clippers you can buy, and yeah, like unboxing is pretty simple, it's pretty straightforward, but it's a great product. Rose Gold FX. I'll see you next video.